have this table all cleared off for whatever I need, and I'm currently in the process of going through a lot of my equipment, camera equipment, everything, organizing it. As you can see, I've got everything laid out, all of my assortments of random things, yeah, lots of wires and stuff, webcam, stuff for playing camera, microphone, extra microphone, another microphone. It's a really old iPod. I think that is from 2007. This is 12 years old. I wonder if it even works, and I wonder what songs are even on there. So, yeah. And then, other cords. And all of these, and my bed is a mess right now, but I'm just organizing this. I used to have those. All of those were underneath that table over there, but now I was going to figure out where I want to put those. And then, got all these wires here. These are the wires that are for charging phone, camera, whatever else. And this is the charger for my DSLR. Lots of candles, make it smell good in here. But this is my little charging area for all my plugins and everything. Got my batteries, and then this is my DSLR batteries, and these are my little camera batteries. That's my Yi action camera. And then there's millions of wires back there, but I'm in the process now of getting all of this organized, because I really wasn't able to get to a lot of the stuff, because I needed like certain camera equipment and I wasn't able to get to it, and then it just took me a while to get everything organized, and this doesn't even work. I have to get a new battery for this. I've had this since 2012. Yeah, 2012. So I have to get a new little battery. That's probably like $1. And then, yeah. There's 2 little paintings I did. Did those about a year ago, I think. Something like that. And then this has all been organized already. You've already seen that before, probably in my other video, where I did a tour of the place and showed you all of my stuff. So I'll probably do another one in the future, more detailed and longer one. But right now, I'm just getting things organized. And as you can see, I had some pens out and some pencils. I was doing some reviews on some pens, and this is a doodle I did the other day, or actually yesterday. I have to upload that still, but yeah, to get everything organized. I did have this up, but I have it angled now, so I've got more room over here for the camera equipment. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff all over the place. I mean, it looks kind of like it's all over, kind of messy right now. I mean, for my standards it is, but compared to how it was, it's a lot better. But yeah, getting it organized a bit more. And oh, that's my little camera, the one I told you about. You've probably seen it. I did a review on that one already. That's my little action camera. It's a wide angle lens, so I can see more in the area. And these headphones, I've only had them for maybe 6 months at most, and these are ripped on it already. They're like really expensive headphones, and yeah, I think those are only maybe $10 for this little piece here. But you would think that if you're spending that much money on a pair of headphones that they wouldn't do that. I just got home. It was a weird day at work. But anyways, I have a different schedule now, so I'm going to be uploading videos at different times. I will try to upload them if I can in the morning. It kind of just depends. I have more time to draw now. I've got more time to edit videos, but I kind of just want to give you a heads up on what I've been up to and some future plans. But I'm going to be working on a bunch of reviews and pen reviews, different reviews on sketchbooks, and I've been doing a bunch of these tiny little doodles, cards that are like this big, so I can get a lot more of those done. But yeah, I guess at this point I'm just rambling, and I'm going to go eat and then do some doodles, but I'll see you around later. You have a good day. See ya.